Good afternoon from a very, very hot southeast London. I thought I'd just show you a few things today. First, my dusty bike from Bike Park. Seriously dusty. I've been working on it as well today. I changed the new cable for the mech. Brand new cable. Well, in a cable, and it was this one with the special sheathing. The sheathing it's a lot different. Bought these £10. That was £13. Sticky for, well, just quick sticky pads to fix your punctures was £4. I've had problems with him as well. I don't know what's really been going on with it. Seems like a program issue, but I've drained the battery of it and deleted everything off the card, so I'm going to recharge it, put the card back in and basically see if it plays up anymore. Seems to want to record when he wants. Yeah, so you press the button and it come on. 22 seconds later it'll want to turn itself off or not and carry on, and then when you turn it off, sometimes it don't want to turn off and you have to hold the button all the way down, and yeah, see, he's not playing action. But don't know what they're like. I might tell you what they're all about, because my rear pads, being at bike parks all the time, are wearing out rapid. So I'm going to give these a go. Like I said, £10, and I think the Shimano ones are sort of 13, maybe something like that. I'm not sure. So we'll give them a go. Yeah, I'll catch you later. The dusty bike, look, everywhere. Excuse the washing on the line. Dusty. Hello there, Dave from Dave's Life here. I don't usually do voiceovers, but this one's necessary because the camera volume didn't go. Yeah, if you've got a water crisis, this was £10 in my local hardware store, and you can use it as a hose jet wash. They're pretty good. As I said in the last clip, I was changing my pads, and I am doing so here. Just pull them out, take the pin out. There's the old pads, pretty worn. I mean, there were maybe another few sessions at the bike park, but there's not much left on them really, and they're worn side. But yeah, I use these other pads and see how they go. Now all we have here is the difference of the size of the pads. Like I say, you've got about 20mm on the new pads and about 2mm left on the old pads. So it's a good indicator that you need to change them.